Have you ever wondered how much smoking affects your health and life? It's a question that's worth examining thoroughly. Each inhalation smoke doesn't merely flood your lungs with nicotine, it also drastically heightens your susceptibility to a myriad of health conditions. The most prominent among these are cardiovascular disease, stroke, and lung cancer, illnesses that can significantly undermine your quality of life and rob you of precious years. Furthermore, the risk of developing chronic bronchitis is also substantially higher among smokers. This debilitating condition can take away your ability to breathe comfortably, leaving you constantly feeling drained and devoid of energy. But the repercussions of smoking are not limited to these physical ailments alone. The effect it has on your lifespan is equally alarming. Research conducted over the years consistently shows that smokers, on average, have a life expectancy that is 10 years less than non-smokers. Thus, not only does smoking diminish the longevity of your life, but it also brings down the quality of your existence. Imagine a life that isn't dominated by the incessant urge for a puff, a life devoid of the relentless coughing, the persistent shortness of breath. Equally significant is the financial toll that smoking exacts. The cumulative cost of maintaining this habit can be quite the price of cigarettes, coupled with the medical bills that accompany the physical complications of smoking can quickly add up, leaving a significant dent in your finances. Additionally, smokers often face higher insurance premiums due to their elevated risk of health issues, adding further to the financial strain. Doesn't it make you think, isn't it time to take control of your health and life? Imagine a life free from the clutches of smoking. A life that's devoid of the incessant need to light up, the constant coughing, the smell of smoke permeating your clothes, your car, your home. What would that look like for you? Perhaps a life of freedom, of reclaimed health, and of renewed vigor. When you bravely make the choice to quit smoking, a cascade of benefits start rolling in almost immediately, like a wave of positive energy. Within the first 20 minutes of extinguishing your last cigarette, an amazing transformation begins. You may not feel it physically, but your heart is already starting to thank you. Heart rate, previously elevated from smoking, begins to decrease, calming down to a more normal pace. Simultaneously, your blood pressure, which smoking had propelled into the stratosphere, begins to drop, easing the strain on your arteries. After 12 hours, another milestone is reached. The carbon monoxide, a toxic gas that had been steadily building up in your bloodstream due to smoking, finally starts to diminish. Your blood purges itself of this poison, restoring its carbon level to that of a non-smoker's. The next morning, you may wake up feeling more refreshed as your body is no longer deprived of oxygen. As you persevere in this journey, the long-term benefits of quitting smoking become even more evident and profound. After 1 year of being smoke-free, your risk of heart disease is halved compared to that of a smoker's. Fast forward to 5 years. Your chances of developing certain cancers like those of mouth, throat, esophagus, and bladder are cut down by 50%. Once you reach the 10-year mark, your risk of lung cancer dramatically falls to half of a smoker's. However, the advantages aren't confined to the realm of health. Consider the substantial amount of money you'll save from not buying packs of cigarettes. Reflect on the inevitable improvement in your quality of life, the freedom from addiction, the revival of your senses of smell and taste. Quitting smoking is a journey towards a healthier and happier life. It's a voyage of self-improvement and liberation, and it's a journey worth every step. Quitting smoking is a process, not an event. It's a journey, a marathon rather than a sprint. It's a conscious choice and a determination to overcome a habit that has likely been part of your life for quite some time. It's not about waking up one morning and abruptly deciding to quit. This decision requires a sincere commitment, a profound understanding of its importance, and a preparedness to embrace bumps along the way. The process starts with mental readiness. You need to understand that quitting smoking will be arduous, demanding, and perhaps even daunting, but perfectly fine. It's a struggle, fight, a battle worth every ounce of your effort. Acceptance of this fact is first step, followed by setting a quit date. This date is your target, a clear end point towards which you will strive. It need not be tomorrow or next week or even next month. The quit date should be a day you're comfortable with, a day you're ready to say goodbye to smoking for good. Next, you should identify your triggers, the situations that make you reach for a cigarette. Stress, loneliness, boredom, social events. Understanding these triggers helps you develop coping strategies. Expect withdrawal symptoms, they're inevitable. but interpret them as signs your body healing, detoxifying, readjusting to a healthier state. They'll be challenging, undoubtedly, but temporary. They'll pass, and with each passing day, you'll find yourself stronger, healthier, and closer to your lastly. Remember that you're not alone in this journey. A robust support system can make a difference. Reach out to friends, family, a quit smoking group, or hotline. Anyone who can provide motivation or simply a listening ear. Preparation is the first step in your journey to quit smoking. Let's delve into the strategies to conquer the smoking habit. Embarking on this journey is no small feat, but with the right tools and support, you can overcome this addiction. The path to successfully quit smoking is not a straight line. It's a series of trials, errors, and triumphs that will eventually lead you to a smoke-free life. Understand that the process will not be easy, but the reward will be invaluable. One of the most popular methods to quit smoking is nicotine replacement therapy. This method is often chosen due to its accessibility and variety of options. Nicotine replacement therapy involves the use of products like nicotine gum, patches, inhalers, or lozenges, all designed to help you gradually reduce your nicotine intake. These products work by delivering small, regulated doses of nicotine into your system to curb cravings and minimize withdrawal symptoms. They act as a substitute for the nicotine you would normally get from smoking, thus making the transition smoother and less distressing. Should you find that nicotine replacement therapy doesn't fit your needs, another option is prescription medications. These pharmaceutical aids are designed to work with your brain chemistry to reduce cravings and soothe withdrawal symptoms. However, as with any drug, they come with potential side effects. Therefore, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine if this path is suitable for you. They can provide professional advice and guide you on the correct dosage and usage to maximize effectiveness and minimize side effects. Behavioral therapy is another widely recognized and effective strategy. This therapy works on the psychological aspect of addiction, helping you understand and manage your behavior and emotions related to smoking. It can help you identify the triggers that make you want to smoke and develop coping strategies to handle them. This could involve counseling, support groups, or self-help materials. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. There's an entire community of people who have walked the same path and are ready to lend a hand. Self-care practices also play a crucial role in your journey to quit smoking. Regular exercise can help reduce your nicotine cravings and ease some withdrawal symptoms. It's a positive outlet stress and a beneficial distraction from cravings. Moreover, it instills a sense of accomplishment and boosts your mood and energy levels. Maintaining a wholesome diet can be a game changer as well. A healthy diet can help your body recover from the damage caused by smoking. Your body needs essential nutrients to repair itself and properly. When your body is well nourished, it's better equipped to handle stress and fight off cravings. Let's not overlook the importance of sleep. Adequate rest is pivotal in managing your cravings. When you're tired, you're more likely to give in to cravings. Therefore, ensure that you're getting enough rest to keep your willpower. It's essential to remember that it's okay to stumble. Quitting smoking is a journey, not a race. You might encounter setbacks along the way, but what matters is that you continue to strive for a smoke-free life. Always remember, every strategy works differently for different people. Find what works best for you. Your health, happiness, and longevity are worth fighting for. Remember, every strategy works differently for different people. Find what works best for you. Quitting smoking is not the end. It's the beginning of a vibrant, wholesome existence. Persisting through a smoke-free life can be daunting. It's where you'll face the true trial, but overcoming this trial is where you discover your strength and resilience. It's not merely a phase, it's an unwavering commitment you declare every single day, from the moment you rise till you retire to bed. Cravings play a pivotal part in this journey. They will creep up on you when you least expect it, but bear in mind, these urges are fleeting. Acknowledge them with attention, comprehend their presence, and then permit them to dissipate. They are transient visitors. Let them visit and leave. A key aspect to succeeding in this endeavor is to be highly aware of your triggers. If a hot cup of Java was your companion while you enjoyed a smoke, perhaps it's time to consider alternatives like herbal tea or a refreshing smoothie. It's now time to focus on your overall wellness. Regular, consistent physical activity and a balanced nutritional diet. These are your most trusted friends on this path. They elevate your spirits, alleviate your stress levels, and increment your physical endurance. And when it's about stress, it becomes pivotal to understand how to efficiently handle it without resorting to a cigarette. Deep, mindful breathing exercises, peaceful meditation, immersing yourself in an engaging book, these can be your new stress management tools. Remember this, you're not merely discarding a habit, you're consciously choosing to live in a healthier manner. You are replacing an unhealthy habit with numerous beneficial ones. This process of staying smoke-free is a lifelong commitment to your health and well-being, a promise of longevity and vitality to yourself. Staying smoke-free is a lifelong commitment to your health and well-being. You have the power to quit smoking and reclaim your health and life. Let's ponder upon this journey we've embarked on today. We've dived deep into the implications of smoking, the harm it inflicts on your body, and the advantages of abandoning this poisonous routine. We've examined the essential groundwork required before setting off on this life-changing expedition. We've shared diverse tactics to quit smoking, from using nicotine substitutes to adopting new behaviors. Remember, renouncing smoking is a pledge to a longer, healthier existence. It's about escaping the clutches of dependency and adopting a smoke-free way of life. The path to quitting smoking is challenging, yet absolutely worthwhile. You're more resilient than you believe, and you possess the strength to conquer this. Take the first step today. Your health and life are worth it. Quit smoking now.